Welcome to the world of seamless website customization with Blockwheels Pro Plugin. Let's embark on a journey to effortlessly add that personal touch to your website with the team members block. Begin by installing and activating the Blockwheels Pro Plugin. Now, let's navigate to the page where the team member block is intended to be placed. Scroll down to the section where the team member block is to be added. Click on the block holder section and the plus icon. Next, click the Browse All button to view all available blocks and search for Blockwheels. Locate and click the team member block to add it to the page. By default, the team member block is placed with 3 team member placeholders. You can start updating the content by uploading the image of the employee and adding a designation, employee name, bio, and social media links. To add social media links, click on the plus icon. Search for the social media icon. Add the URL. And set whether the link will open in the same tab or a new tab when clicked. Add other social media platform as per requirement. Similarly, you can update the content details in the remaining team member blocks. To add an additional team member block, select the parent block and click on the Spotlight plus icon, and add your details to the team member placeholder. To remove a certain team member, click on the Spotlight 3 dots icon and select the Delete option. Once you are done updating the content, select the team member block and click the Spotlight icon to further customize the team member block. Click on the column drop-down to set the number of team members to show per row, column gap, modify border properties, and column background color. Click on the image drop-down to set the image ratio, border radius, and set overlay color. Click on the name drop-down to modify the text properties like font family and font color. Similarly, you can modify the text properties under designation and bio drop-downs. Next, click on the social icons drop-down to set background size, icon size, border properties, item gapping, icon color, and background color. To add additional CSS classes, expand the advanced drop-down. Furthermore, you can even customize the individual team member by selecting a single team member. Click on the Content drop-down to modify content alignment and set background color. Click on the Image drop-down to set image position, alternative text, and image target link. After completing customization, update the page and view it in a new tab. Adding the team members block has never been this exhilarating. With Blockwheels Pro Plugin, your website becomes your canvas, and the possibilities are endless. Ready to unleash your creativity? Let's get started.